Guys, I just discovered a new hidden rural market in Delta State.
OWeh. The street for Banga.
And all this while, guys, I have been going to Ozoro Kwale market through this route. And I have been passing this particular rural market day. A client sent me an order, a fish order, guys, and I must obey. I was looking for a market to meet up this particular emergency order, and I had to start making calls. And lo and behold,
This one how much?
said,
Now 55.
why not Chineke market? And I said, where is this OWeh? They said it's along Ozoro. I said, are you serious? Along Ozoro market. This is my route. I have been going through this route, guys, and I never knew that this particular market exists. Now today we are going to be shopping, buying items in this particular market worth 360,000 naira, and 360,000 naira converting it is going to be giving you like $253 in Nigeria, guys. So what can $253 actually buy for you in this particular market? You all know that almost all my fish errands, market errands, are all about fish, and today they sell fish in this market. I just discovered honestly that this market has fish. You understand? So coming to the market, I just asked, where can I buy my fish? And my neighbors in the car, they were so generous and they directed me to where I can go and get my fish. And this market is very, very large. They have Garri here as well, and they have palm oil, and they have other farm products that you can always get in a rural market. They have plantain, they have pawpaw, everything that is in season is in this particular market, guys.
Where would do business? How much lost?
Take a 52.
Yeah?
Take a 52.
Mbano. They come out something. This one like this, Abi?
This one, and the sensor.
This one waiting.
This one at 25.
This one 25. This one how much? 50-50. Abi 50. What you call?
52. I say I come out 3,000.
Mbano.
Remember?
Talk well. This fish fine well.
As guy dry one went there.
This one fine no. If no be say.
Remember, I know
I dey your place now, nah. No, see this fish. I like this fish. Oh. This one how much?
now 55.
Chineke man.
Now I come out money for you.
May we talk about this too. Okay. Mama, I know what Abi. Eh? You see this fish? Nah, I like self. The way it take me.
That's how one.
I try for waterproof, then you put for me for here. Then I find the POS.
But when you dry paddles, when you dry deep paddles.
One thing I always do is to get the best deal for my customers and my clients, and I will never buy that fish for that amount the woman was mentioning. So we are able to get it for 45,000 naira each part. And the small one that she said was 35, she gave it to me 25,000 naira, but I didn't buy it. Then that one that is beautiful that I love so much, I didn't buy it. So right here now, I'm looking for POS to pay for the fish because I don't move with cash if I'm coming to rural market, guys. And it's so hard, unlike the rural market I've been to get a POS here is so difficult, honestly. I don't know why. So I had to move very, very far away to find a POS point of sale that can be able to give me money cash and I can pay for the item that I just bought. So I bought the two items for 90,000 naira. That was the last deal. The woman refused. She said she was selling for 100,000 naira, and I said, no, mama, please reduce money. I even priced 14, and I walked away. She did not call me back.
Now fresh one. Now fresh one.
This one I wait.
This one
This one's how much you said that?
28.
This one comes small. Now this small one come pack for under. Hi, Chineke Namo.
This is my customer. This one on a fresh. I'm not getting anyone when you get complaint.
This one, how much be this one?
This one 28,000.
This one too small.
I'm not coming this one.
What's this?
At the same month fish.
Okay. Maybe I say the mouth fish come small today. This one they okay.
This one do I don't do it well. I don't do it well. I don't promote it.
So how much you give me now?
How much you want to pay? You never have price. Or in a 10, no? I don't get any fish with that.
I think say fish don't do now.
What's going to happen? How much you want to take out? I just do one cup for you.
2020 now.
Hey, mama go beat you.
Which mama they beat you?
Take out 27. Take out.
Go do am. Make I buy this one and this one.
How much you talk for this one?
This one you see they high now.
Yeah, 350.
Eh?
350 million people.
I don't will pay am like that. You don't get another answer like this.
No, take this one when they're caught. No, I don't talk well. I'll change this one for you. Don't come on money for this one. This one I buy a different. That's the one I go.
I was able to buy the mud fish for 25,000 naira. So the two part was sold for 50,000 naira, and the asa fish was sold for 27,000 naira for me. I hope it's a good deal, guys. Just check. If it's too expensive, I'm going to return the fish.
This one I waiting.
OWeh. The sweet one for banga. Any type of. Are you DJ? I want
I say this one how much you want give me this one? This one how much last?
I take her for 2.
No. These two. Now I want it.
Yes, money.
You go talk where now?
I give you that one 32 last. 32. 43.
It can't be how much?
Forty-three, 32. Why they need OWeh? If you go on
So I was able to buy these two part for 75,000 naira, guys. These women, they call money. Oh. Is it a fair deal, guys, or should I return the fish? If it's not fair, I'm going to return this particular item. I still need more fish, so I will still move ahead to find more.
Huh? Mama, you don't start now. That is where the problem will start now. Oh yeah, you shed at the way where you want shed now. How many fish there here? Oh, no be money they will take pay you now.
You would say that
No be money I go pay you. How many head did this fish? Now the person even say you know one head for the fish. How can you not want head in a fish? How can the fish survive without head? Eh? I want to take shed now.
correct,
The head comes too much for the fish. They say they don't want plenty head though.
No, but the head, now the way they cut some, the head not too much.
I they see almost 5 head now. No see them. See now. Almost. They understand. Almost 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There are many now. The tail they many too.
I don't know.
The tail many too.
I don't want to offend my customer. Even say if I buy the head, may I come out? Man, so if I can't chop all the head now.
No, this was.
I wasn't in love with this particular fish. It has so many heads and it's expensive, so I did not buy it. 300,000 naira fish. That is what you're staring at right now, guys. So I had to buy this Egusi. For that makeup, she sold for 600 naira. How much is Egusi cup? This particular makeup in your location, I priced it at a free market and they're selling for 800 naira. And this market is selling for 600 naira. I bought.
Sorry, I beg. We have POS there here. They get. My God.
So when I came to do my POS, I discovered that they sell beautiful African prints You can see that they have beautiful African prints in this particular market. They have varieties of items in this particular market. In case you want to come to OWeh market, you can see lots and lots of things in this particular market, guys. And in case you want to come to this particular OWeh market, the market is also for 4 days, guys. And it's located along after Ughelli, as if you are going to Ozoro market, and along Oleh road. That's where you are going to see this particular market, guys. Okay, I don't come back.
This one, how much you gonna give me this one?
I give you 12.
No. How much I come price?
Now 10 the price.
Uh-huh.
Give me proof of that.
Leave at that 10. You know what? Everybody body they hot. I beg.
What is on?
200 your men dey. Maybe 3, maybe 250. 10,000 is 200.
The catfish now how much?
River fish are they say, are not a selfish bond.
This one how much?
All those one are give me 12.
Oh wow, it high you.
If you know I na better fish.
How much last? Eh?
Eh?
You don't give me 10.
Oh, you take a level there.
No, mama, give me 10 plus this one. Come be how much? See, say good to talk. If you say mama, no talk now. You see?
Yeah. I that fish where they back, I don't want to put the charge. If I leave, I fish sell at 30. But the two for that. You can see the fish. The fish self.
Mama, I will put 1,000 now.
No, come not.
My customer.
I put the charges. Better banga soup. But I believe manage you. Hey, you, the opportunity.
200.
Yeah.
That is medicine what they call them medicine. Now we carry come from now. For stubborn rat, for mosquito, for bedbug, idu, chinchi. That bedbug what they want to use for your house. Now medicine, now you go use stop that. What do you do?
Well, the same man and move. You can get 500.
That my just sister, that's not my name.
Give me two. Oh, it makes sense.
I buy ticket, 600 and ticket. You go fit one well. Yeah, crap. What are we
Before you buy your palm oil, you need to test it. I normally test my palm oil before I buy, guys. My deep.
Who's more?
Okay.